Welcome to the demonstration of multi-address aggregator application. This application provides three interfaces: address mapping wizard, aggregator wizard, and service manager. Address mapping wizard, an easy-to-use interface, provides the facility to upload addresses and geocode them on a configurable base map. It also provides the facility to preview and publish map service of the geocoded points. Aggregator wizard provides the facilities to select and aggregate any point layer published on your server with a Polygon layer. Service manager provides the facility to view and delete published map services. Launch the application by typing the appropriate URL. Once the application is loaded, the multi-address aggregator screen appears, displaying the base map and interface options at the top right corner of the screen. Following interface options are available: Address Mapping Wizard, Service Manager, Aggregator Wizard, and the Switch Base Map options, and then facility for online help. Let's have a look at the Address Mapping Wizard. Address Mapping Wizard is an easy-to-use interface to upload addresses and geocode them on a configurable base map. This wizard also provides the facility to preview and publish map services of the geocoded points. To activate the wizard, click Address Mapping Wizard icon at the top right corner of the screen. Address Mapping Wizard pop-up appears. You can now upload addresses in XLS, XLSX, XML, and CSV file formats. Click Browse to select the file to be uploaded. Select the desired file. Click Open and click Upload to upload the file. Message File uploaded successfully and the name of the file appears. XML and CSV files are uploaded directly, while for XLS or XLSX type files you have an option to select the desired worksheet. Now click Next to activate the Select tab. The Select tab appears. Fields on the right hand side will be used to geocode the address, while the columns on the left hand side will be used to display the other attributes related to the address. Select the appropriate address and zip fields from the drop down. City and state fields are optional. These fields help to geocode the address. You can now select the desired column on the left hand side to be displayed along with the geocode addresses. By default, when you select the address and zip field, the associated columns are also activated. You can select any additional column as desired. Now let's click Next to activate the Preview wizard. It provides a list of the top 10 records. You can click Preview Records to preview the records on the map. To create a map service, click Next. A confirmation message appears. Click OK to continue. The data will be processed and map service will be created and the addresses will be displayed as points on the map. If an error is found in the address or zip code, then a list of field addresses will be displayed. You can modify the address or zip code by double-clicking the respective field and clicking Update to update the details. Now let's take a look at the Service Manager interface, which helps to manage the map services. Click Service Manager icon in the top right corner of the screen. Service Manager panel appears. This panel provides the list of the services, date when the map service was created, and the option to delete the map service. You can click the desired map service to locate the published addresses on the map. Click the globe icon to view the details of the map service. The details are displayed. You can click the desired hyperlink to view the details. Click Delete to delete the desired map service. Now let's have a look at the Aggregator wizard. Aggregator wizard is an easy-to-use interface to select and aggregate any point layer published on your server with a Polygon layer. Aggregation is done by counting the number of points that fall inside each polygon and generating a schematic map along with the tabular report. Polygon layers published on any ArcGIS internet server can be configured to use for aggregation. To activate the Aggregator wizard, click the Aggregator wizard icon at the top right corner of the screen. Aggregator panel appears. You can now select the desired point and polygon layer. Click Aggregate button to aggregate the selection and display the data on the map. A confirmation message appears. Let's click OK to aggregate the data. The aggregated data is displayed on the map as colored polygons. You can click List View on the top right corner of the screen to display the aggregated data in the table. It lists the aggregated data, the layers along with the point count, the legend provides a legend used in the map, and the print icon provides the facility to print the map. The print preview appears. You can select the print button to take a print. The application provides a facility to display the maps in the street view or imagery view. By default, maps are displayed in the street view. To change the view, click Switch Base Map icon at the top right corner and select Imagery. The map changes to imagery view. Now let's discuss about the address data settings. There are certain limitations while preparing the address data files. In this section, we will describe the address data requirements for the CSV, XML, XLS, and XLSX file types. We will first discuss about the limitations to the file names. File name should not exceed 40 characters, else the file name will truncate after 40 characters. File name can contain only alphanumeric characters and underscore. File names should not start with a number, else the number will be removed from the file name. If the file name consists of numeric type values only, then it will be replaced with mapservice. For example, if the file name is 334.xml, then it will be replaced with mapservice underscore 12345. Now let's have a look at the limitations to the field names. Field name should not exceed 30 characters, else field name will be truncated after 30 characters. Spaces in field names will be replaced by underscore and special characters will be removed. Field name should not start with a number, else the number will be removed from the field name. After field name validation, if name is empty, then default field name would be attribute underscore plus the sequence number of field in the file. The header fields should not contain comma in the field name while uploading a CSV file. Now finally, let's have a look at the limitations while saving addresses in MS Excel, XLS or XLSX file format. Print area should not be set in any sheet. Sheet name should not exceed 30 characters. Header field should not contain a comma in between the field names. Now, if you take care of all the points discussed in this section, then you can be sure that your address data is ready to be uploaded using multi-address aggregator. This brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you for viewing this demonstration.